Hi, I'm Frank from the partner team here at ButterflyMX. Welcome to the installation training for the ButterflyMX QR Code Intercom. This product was designed to be simple and cost-effective, and that starts with installation. In this video, we're going to walk through everything you need to know to get your device installed properly, from unboxing to mounting and activation. The process is quick and straightforward, and with just a few tools, you'll have the QR code intercom up and running in no time. There are two main requirements for setup. First, you'll need the QR code intercom, and second, you'll need a ButterflyMX Access Controller. While the QR code intercom plaque allows guests, visitors, and deliveries to access ButterflyMX's software, our access controller is required to open the door, gate, or garage when a user grants access. Let's start with what comes with the QR code intercom. In the shipping box, you'll find the QR code plaque itself, 4 mounting screws, wall anchors, a metal backplate, and an alignment tool to help you center the plaque during installation. When it comes to mounting, there are two main approaches depending on the surface type. If you're installing the plaque on a smooth surface, like glass, metal, or a finished wall, the adhesive method is the easiest. For additional tools required, you'll just need a level to ensure proper alignment. Just clean the surface thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol and give it about 15 seconds to dry. Then, peel the backing off of the foam tape found on the back of the plaque and use a level to line the plaque up. Ensure it's mounted between 4.5 and 5.5 feet from the ground to meet ADA compliance, and press it firmly into place using consistent pressure. Hold it there for about 30 seconds to make sure you create a permanent bond. And keep in mind, this type of installation works best when the surface temperature is above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. For best results, avoid tampering with the plaque for 24 hours after mounting to allow the adhesive to fully cure. If you're working with a rough surface, like brick or concrete, the screw mount option is our recommended method. The tools required for this are as follows: a level, a 5/16 inch drill with masonry bit, a screwdriver, the provided tool for marking positioning, and a hammer. Start by using the metal backplate to mark your drill holes, using a level to ensure alignment, and measure to ensure mounting is between 4.5 and 5.5 feet. Once your holes are marked, drill your pilot holes with the drill and tap in the wall anchors so they're flush with the surface. Then, secure the backplate using the provided screws. From there, remove the adhesive backing from the plaque, use the alignment tool to line it up properly, and then press the QR code plaque firmly against the backplate, just like you would in the adhesive method. That combination of mechanical mounting and adhesive ensures the plaque stays secure long-term and on tougher surfaces. The QR code intercom should be installed in a well-lit location to support reliable scanning. Avoid direct sunlight glare or poorly lit corners if possible. The device is outdoor rated, but it's still a good idea to avoid areas with excessive exposure to water or vibration. One important reminder before you finish mounting: make sure the ButterflyMX Access Controller is already installed, powered on, and activated. To complete setup, the Access Controller must be operational, as the QR code intercom relies on it to enable remote access when a resident is contacted. You can find more information on installing our Access Controller in the link in the description, but I'll briefly review the installation requirements for our Access Controller now. There are 3 main requirements for our Access Controller: power, internet, and REX. Our Access Controller comes shipped with a 12-volt 5-amp power supply that must be used. The power supply is 7 feet long and cannot be spliced, so the distance between the Access Controller and the wall outlet should be within 7 feet. We recommend installing the Access Controller in a secure environment, typically the building's head end or an IDF closet. For data, our access controller supports two modes of internet connectivity, Ethernet and Wi-Fi. The preferred method for all of our access control products is a hardwired internet connection through the RJ45 port via Cat5e or Cat6. And lastly, our access controller has two sides that can control one door or gate each. No connections are required for the reader ports for the QR code intercom, as all controls will be through the cloud. Each side of our access controller has a dry Rex relay and a wet Rex relay. The wet relay is rated at 12 volts, 1 amp, and can provide power to the locking mechanism that fits those power requirements. However, for those that require more power, such as gates or large mag locks, we recommend using the dry relay and an external power source. Once you've mounted the plaque and our access controller is online and connected to the door, you'll need to activate it. This should be done on site so you can fully test the system. Just give our support team a call at 800-398-4416, extension 2. They'll walk you through the activation process and test that the QR code intercom is triggering the unlock as expected. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've installed a simple, secure, and cost-effective intercom system that brings modern access control to more buildings. Thanks for watching.